Dear students, so today we will see that how can we find the data items with the help of VLOOKUP formula. So let's see that how it works. So usually formula is very simple. We need to start with the equal sign and then we write look like VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is basically is a vertical lookup. So we will start with this one. Yeah, so automatically formula will come like this one. Okay, for example, if you want to see that what is the name, what is the for example, the on roll number 19, what is the name of the student, right? So let's see whether it will give me the the name of the students on ID number 19 or no. So first I need to select that particular item on the index, okay, and after that one I need to select all the data, okay, which I'm looking for, okay, and then comma, and then for example I want to see the student name. So the student name is the second column, so I will write 2, right? And then I have a two optional thing. One is called false and true. So false is used basically for exact match, and true is used for approximate match. So since 19 is an exact match, so we will write false, right? So now see, it gives Alexander. Even it works without false, right? So this comment is optional if you remove it. So just write 2 and it also works over here, right? So this comment is optional. Now see, let's suppose we got the name, okay, with ID number 19, okay. Now let's suppose I want to get the names with the ID number same ID, or let's suppose try different ID lookup. And I want for ID number 10, I want the marks in the science subject, right, of the student. So we'll see what are the marks in the science subjects, and then I write like for example 3, that's the column third, and since other is optional, so I don't read that. So 77, right? So in ID number 10 we have subjects marks science is 79, right? Okay, now let's try for some other students. So we look up, okay, other students we look up and we will see the maths marks, okay. So we look up, okay, and we will see the marks for the maths one, right? So let's see what is the maths for uh, 13, roll number 13. So this is important that the index, the first lookup value must be from the first column, otherwise it will not work properly, okay, because this is limitations from the Microsoft Excel. Okay, and then so maths is column number 4, so I will write 4 and enter. So it gave me that marks, right? So if you spot it, so for 13 the marks is 98, right? Okay, now let's see if I want to see the grades for some student. So now let's see the grades for we look up, and for let's suppose another student is 4, right? Okay, and then comma, and we select the data, okay, and after selecting the data we say the grades for grade is column number 5, right? Okay, so the grade is F, so, right? So it means the students failed in the subject, right? Okay, and then the last comments, if you want to see the comments for something, let's suppose we say equal sign, we look up, okay, and then we say we want to see the comments for George, okay, yes, ID number is 20, comma, we select all the data, okay, and then comma, and the last one is the 6th column, okay, and enter. So super great. So George is working super great for this one. So I hope you understand the concept of VLOOKUP, and see you in the next video.